What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have a very clean GX470 that we just completed the build on, and it looks absolutely amazing. So we wanted to make a video to show kind of what we did to it, because we don't really get to see too many of these in the shop. So let's take a look. So like I was mentioning, this is a Lexus GX470. It is all blacked out, as you can see. And the cool thing with this one is that we were able to retain the factory airbags that come on the GX470s from factory. So we're going to start in the front here, some aftermarket headlights that kind of ties in the whole like murdered out look, all black wheels. These are Method zero offset wheels with some Toyo Open Country AT3s. These are very good on-road and off-road, all-season, triple rated for snow as well. These are the A285 70 17, so a 33-inch tire. What we have as far as shocks are the OME BP-5100s. Very different than what we normally do in here, and that is paired with the OME upper control arms. We normally do like King shocks, Fox, Dobinsons, all of the above pretty much. And OME is one of those that we don't do very often. So when we got one in, I was like, we gotta do a video. Pretty cool, rides really great, and the stance here is great as well. And that is considering the fact that we got we're able to retain the factory airbags that are on this, or is on this truck. So for those who don't know, there's actually a compressor that sits right here behind the rear bumper here that provides the air for the air suspension on these trucks. I'm going to hop in here and show you what I'm talking about here. Inside the vehicle, we have the center column here that has the air ride, so you can control it. You can set it to high, neutral, or low, and then you can also control the comfort level as well of the air ride. So that's pretty cool. But so this here is what it looks like from a side profile. There you can see the wheel gap right there above the tire. This is that ride height, by the way. So once you start the vehicle, this is where it stays at, so you can lower the rear or raise the rear as well. And then you've got the wheel gap there. So this stance here is perfect in my opinion. And we were able to run these tires, these 33s, without any kind of chop or trimming. So you can see there, factory cab mount there. The only thing we had to do was remove the side steps, which in the front here, it comes down and up. So that would have gotten caught there, so we took that out. The whole running board runs all the way back, so really the only thing that's left kind of exposed is this guy right here with the white clip that you see right there. But there's a couple solutions for that. There's a company that 3D prints like an end cap that kind of just covers that up. But it is 3D printed, so it's not, perfect, but you could paint it so that way it looks just like your vehicle's color. But that is pretty much it for this video. I wanted to make this quick video to show any GX470 owners out there that you can lift your GX470 and retain the factory airbags. There is obviously some custom stuff that we had to do, maybe not so obvious, but there are ways around it to keep the factory airbags. So if you are in Denver, Colorado, hit us up. We would know what it takes to get these to work with the factory airbags. But that's going to be it. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, please do so, and we will see you guys in another video.